So this video will literally blow your mind. So many people are using this free business model to generate income. And guess what? They don't have to actually do any physical work. Like no fulfilling orders, no creating products, no shipping orders. And the crazy part is that this online business model is actually being used on Amazon right in front of our face. So today we're gonna be diving into print on demand. What is print on demand, you guys might ask? Print on demand is when a product is filled after the customer has placed the order. So this product is not just sitting there, it's not just sitting on stock, you don't have a bunch of inventory, you're actually not keeping any inventory. Everything is done by a third-party website. With this business model, you're able to design products like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, home decor, and so many different other products, you guys. What's crazy is that this business model does not require any upfront investments. There is no cost for you to start doing this. I feel like this is a game changer for those of you who are looking for an introduction into owning an online business. Gonna allow you to have a business with minimal risk. So to get started with print on demand, you're gonna have to find your platform. There are so many different ones, but today we're gonna be talking about Printify. The reason I chose Printify is because this is the website that I actually use for my products. So to create products, it's actually fairly easy. Anyone can do it. The only other app you're gonna need to use is Canva. So you're gonna be using Canva to create your designs. Canva is also a free program, but I'm definitely gonna recommend you guys to get the pro. And you guys know I'm already going to link Printify and Canva down below for you guys in the description so you can sign up. Okay, so you guys know I'm always trying to set you guys up. So let's hop over to a really quick screen recording on how to set up a product. So as you guys can see here, you want to select women's t-shirt. So choose which t-shirt you like. They also show the prices. So as you guys can see, this one is a cheaper t-shirt. This one is $10.87, $14.63. This one is actually a bestseller, but these are express delivery. So I'm gonna go with this one right here in the middle. We're gonna select this and then we're gonna hit start designing. So this is what the t-shirt looks like. Now we are going to edit this t-shirt. Later on, you can select whether you want to add different colors. They have a lot of different colors, so you can do that later on once your shirt is finished designed. Okay, so we're gonna go on Pinterest. I like to get my images off of Pinterest. This is the image that we're gonna be using today. As you guys can see, this person actually sells this image. You want to download this image, and then you're going to take that image over to Canva and you're going to import. I'm going to do it all over for you guys. So we're going to import that file. As you guys can see here on Wednesdays, this is the one I was just loading. So as you guys can see, this image has a background on it. I'm going to show you guys exactly what I mean by turning this black. So as you guys can see, it has a white border. Let's go back to white. And then we are going to go to background remover. This is a pro feature. So you are going to need pro to use Canva as a background remover. If you don't want to get pro, then there are ways you can go to Google and type in a background remover and just put the image on there and have it removed to there. And then it's a lot of work. I feel like Canva is worth it. You guys should definitely have Canva, whether you're a business owner or a creator. So we're going to remove the background. Then the image is going to be transparent. It's going to be PNG. So that's the image. That's all you have to do. So then we're going to go to download this image. And then once you download it, you want to make sure you're selecting transparent background. So we're going to select that. Then we're going to hit download. And the image is going to download with I'm going to put PNG, just so you guys know that's the one that I just downloaded. And then we're going to go back to Printify. And we're going to hit upload right here. That's the first button from my device. And then as you guys can see, PNG, that's what I just named it. So we're going to put that image right on the shirt. As you guys can see, you can adjust how big you want the logo to be, but just make sure the DPI right here on the side is in a medium resolution, at least a medium resolution, because once you make it too big, it goes to low resolution and you don't want a low quality print on your products. So then you want to make sure it is centered. Again, you can resize it however you want it to be sized. I'm just going to leave that right there. And then that's how it would look. You could preview it. And this is going to show you the placement and literally how the product would look. I love these stock images. And again, you could add more colors. This is just in the color white. I love the way this came out. If you want to change the color and see how it looks on like different colors, let's say you wanted to use this color, you can also see how it would look with that color. As you guys can see, it would look like that. And then we are going to hit save product. So once you save the product, then that is when you are going to go in and you're going to enter the details about this shirt. Like, you don't want to keep that name. Like, you want to name the shirt whatever you want to. You can use ChatGPT to get a nice description for the product. Down here, as you guys can see, you have the different prices, and it's going to tell you the retail price is $18.45, and you're going to be making $7.38 profit. The buyer has to pay for shipping, and this is their production cost. So they make more than what you make, but still, this is free to use. It's a free way, an easy way, a quick way to get into having an online business. If you guys stroll down, you can see the size gets more expensive. So does the shirt. But this is your profit that you are making from each product that is being sold. And just like that, it's that simple to create a product. Okay, so now let's get into where you're gonna be selling these products. Because obviously anyone can create these products, the website is free. Let's get into how you're gonna actually make sales. So for me to sell my print-on-demand products, I'm using social media, which you probably guessed. You have to use social media. So for this, I'm actually using and marketing my products in my Facebook group. In my Facebook group, I'm lucky to have 400,000 members that I can market my pink products to. Another cool thing I like about print on demand is that you are able to order a sample. So you can order a sample you can send it to yourself or send it to a family member and have them or yourself create content wearing this product. Because remember, these products are not going to market themselves. You have to put in the work. If you want this business model to work, then you have to work. Once you start getting orders, Printify will then take their cut and then they give you what you have made. Another thing I love about Printify is that you're actually able to hook it up to your Shopify website. So you build your own website, make it look nice and fancy, and then once the customer goes on your website, they place the order, Printify does everything for you. You are also able to integrate this onto Etsy. I love that Etsy has an existing audience, but I don't really like it's oversaturated, okay? It's oversaturated. So if you're someone that's looking to do a print on demand on Etsy, then I would definitely strongly encourage you guys to do your research and really learn about doing print on demand on Etsy and running ads and what are the best practices. As far as you having a website and marketing your products, you want to make sure you know who your target audience is. You have to know exactly who you are marketing these products to, who these products are created for. So I'm going to link for you guys my free course on how to figure out who your target audience is. I also have a course on how to market to your target audience. You guys, I have courses on literally everything. So that is going to complete today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace and much love. Bye guys.